Standard 4 Maths, Chapter number 7, Jugs and Mugs, Textbook, page number 79, Part 3 of this lesson, Water. The table shows the water used in one day by a family of 5 people. This table shows that the water used in one day by a family, and in a family how many people? 5 people. They live in Gudalur village. Activity and waters. This capacity is given water in liter. Cooking and drinking. This family is using 30 liter for cooking and drinking. 40 liter water for washing clothes. 20 liter water in cleaning pots and pans. And 75 liter water in bathing. Now total water used by them. Total means simple. We will add this all. So total water used by them is 0 plus 5, 5. And here 4 plus 3, 7. Plus 2, 9. And 9 plus 7, 16. So 165 liter. So the water used by the family is 165 liter in a day. See how much water we are wasting. In one day 165 liter. How many liters of water does your family use in a day? Guess and fill in this table. You can fill it yourself. Here I made the table and capacity of a bucket 10 liter. So cooking and drinking 3 buckets, so 30 liter. Washing clothes 4 buckets, 40 liters. Cleaning pots and pans 2 buckets, 20 liter. Then mopping the floor half bucket. So 10 ka half 5 liters. Watering the plants half buckets, that also 5 liters. Bathing 1 bucket 10 liter. And cleaning the car 2 buckets 20 liter. Drop and drops make an ocean. Is there any tap in your school or your home which is leaking? You can say yes or no. How much water do you think we waste through a leaking tap? Place your liter jar below the leaking tap so as to catch all the drops in the bottle. Note the time. After 1 hour, check how much water is in the bottle. आपको क्या करना है? जो टैप लीक होता है उसके नीचे एक जार रखो, एक बॉटल रखो एंड चेक आफ्टर 1 आवर कि 1 आवर में कितना पानी वेस्ट हुआ, कितना पानी लीक हुआ. नेक्स्ट पेज. फाइंड आउट हाउ मच वाटर इज वेस्टेड इन अ डे. अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1 आवर 1 लीटर. 1 घंटे में 1 लीटर पानी वेस्ट होता है बाय लीकिंग. सो वी कैन से फॉर 24 hours means in a one day has 24 hours. 1 hour 1 liter, so 24 hour 24 liter. So in a week 1 week has 7 days. 1 day 24 liter, so 1 day 24 liter, 7 times 24. If we multiply, we will get answer 168. How to multiply? 7 times 24 or 24 multiply by 7. 1 day 24 liters, so 7 days how much? In a 1 month. Okay, 1 day 24, so 30 days. This way we can do. 1 day में 24 liter waste होता है तो 30 days में कितना? In 1 month we can convert in days. In a year. Now here we got the answer for a month. 1 month 720 liters water. So in a year has how many months? 12 months. So 1 month 720 liter. So 12 times 12 month 720 multiply by 12. If we multiply, we will get answer 8640 liter. How much water is wasting by tapping the water, leaking the water. जो टैप होता है उसमें वाटर लीक होता है. इफ वी विल काउंट वी विल गेट वी आर वेस्टिंग सो मच वाटर. वन पजल फॉर यू. Anand village has a milk society. Geeta and Ami went there to buy 4 liters of milk. How much milk they want to buy? 4 liters. But the man could not find the 1 liter measure. उनके पास जो कंटेनर था मेजरिंग का वो 1 लीटर का नहीं था. He had only 3 liter and 5 liter bottle with him. A container with the measure of 3 liter and 5 liter. But he gave them exactly 4 liters of milk. Explain how he did this. Can you guess? If you want 4 liter milk and the measurement is of 3 liter and 5 liter. So exactly 4 liter, how can we give? How can we measure exactly 4 liter? By the help of this 3 liter and 5 liter container. Let's find. So we have 5 liter and 3 liters container, and we want 4 liter of milk. So what we will do? 5 liter container will fill 5 liter container, and small 3 liter container we have. So what we will do? First we will pour 5 liter container, and then from the 5 liter we will pour 3 liter in it. 3 liter pour कर देंगे. 5 में से 3 liter वो इस कंटेनर में pour कर देंगे. So how much remain here? 5 में से 3 liter चला गया. So 2 liter will remain. So in this 5 liter container, 2 liter will remain. Once again we will do the same thing with this. We will do the same thing. We will take 5 liter container. Then we'll pour 3 liter from that. So 5 liter में से 3 liter चला गया. Once again in that 5 liter container, how much will remain? 2 liter. Same thing twice we will do. 5 में से 3 चला गया. So how much remain? 2 liter. So 2 liter and 2 liter. So 4 liter easily we can give for exactly 4 liter. Let's solve some more examples. One number. If one pan contains 1 liter 820 milliliter milk and another pan contains 2 liter 30 milliliter milk, how many liters of milk do the two pans contains? 1 and 2. 2 pans are given, and what we have to find? How many liters of milk do the 2 pans contain? दोनों मिलके कितना होगा? So what we will do? We will add liter and milliliter. Columns are given. So here 1 liter 820 milliliter. So 1 liter we'll write here, and 820 milliliter. And second 2 liter 30 milliliter. 2 liter and 30 milliliter. 30 milliliter. 30 how to write? We'll write 30 here because milliliter. 1 liter has 1000 milliliter. In the milliliter bracket, in the milliliter line in the box, we'll write like this: 30. Then 0, we have to add this both. 3 plus 2 5, 8, and 2 plus 1 3. So answer is 3 liter 850 milliliter. Rohit used 15 liter 560 milliliter water to water plants on Sunday and 20 liter 13 milliliter on Monday. Sunday and Monday. How much total quantity of water did he use? Simple thing, total we have to find. So for total we have to add this both, Sunday and Monday. So first for Sunday 15 liter and 560 milliliter plus Monday 20 liter and 13 milliliter. Let's add both. 0 plus 3 3, 6 plus 1 7, 5 and 2 plus 1 3. 35 liter and 573 liter. Then 3 number, a bucket contains 15 liter 225 milliliter of milk. Bucket can contain 15 liter and 225 milliliter of milk. Another bucket contains 5 liter 725 milliliter of milk. How much milk is there in 2 bucket? Simple thing. 1 bucket है, second bucket है. क्या पूछा है? How much milk is there in 2 buckets? दोनों में मिलके कितना होगा? Simple, we will add this. So let's add first bucket 15 liter 225 milliliter plus 5 liter and 725 milliliter. 5 plus 5 10, 2 plus 2 4 and 1 5, 7 plus 2 9, 15 and 5 directly 20. So 20 liter and 950 milliliter. Then an aquarium can hold 15 liter 615 milliliter of water and a tank can hold 20 liter 222 milliliter of water. What is the difference in the capacities? Tank can hold this much water and aquarium can hold this much water. What we have to find? What is the difference? Difference means what we have to do? Subtraction. In subtraction, we have two numbers. Which number is bigger? 15 liter or 20 liter? 20 liter. So, bigger number we will write up. We will write here 20 and 222 milliliter minus 15 liter and 615 milliliter. We will do the subtraction. 2 minus 5 is not possible. 2 will give 1 tens, 2 has remained 1 and here 2 and 10 मिलके 12 हो गए. So 12 minus 5. So we will start after 5 till 12. So it will be 7. 1 minus 1, 0. Again 2 minus 6 is not possible. So we have to borrow 1 tens from here. It is not possible. So 1 will give 1 tens here. And here 9 is remain and 10. Here 10 plus 2 12. 12 minus 6 6. 9 minus 5 4 and 1 minus 1 0. 46 liter and 7 milliliter. Sorry, 4 liter and 607 milliliter. Here liter and milliliter. This line is here. 4 liter 607 milliliter. Out of 2 liter petrol in the car, only 750 milliliter is used. How much petrol is left in the car tank? What they asked? How much petrol is left? बाकी कितना बचा? For that we have to do the subtraction. How to do? 2 liter and 750 milliliter. आप सोचोगे ये तो 2 है, ये तो 750 है. But 2 liter means 2000 milliliter or and 750 milliliter only. We can write like this in liter, 2 liter, 000 milliliter minus here no liter is given, only milliliter. So this we will write in milliliters column 750 milliliter. Let's do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible. Here also 0. So 2 will give 1 tens to here. 10 has to give 1 10 here. So this 10 has remained 9 and 2 has remained 1. Here 10 plus 0 10. So 10 minus 5 5. 9 minus 7 2 and 1 minus 1 0. So how much petrol is left? 250 milliliter petrol left. Convert the following into milliliter. We already learned in first video how to convert in milliliter and in liter. 1 liter has 1000 milliliter. Here 3 liter. We have to convert in milliliter. So what we will do? We will multiply by 1000 or we will add 3 0. So 3 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 3000 milliliter. Why? Because 1 liter has 1000 milliliter. Simple. So 9 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 9000 milliliter. Here 5 liter 200 milliliter. How to do? 5 liter को convert करो milliliter में. So to convert in milliliter we will multiply by 1000 plus 200 तो already milliliter में ही है. This is in milliliter, so no need to convert. So here 5 into 1000, 5000 plus 200. So what is the answer? 5200 milliliter. Same here, let's do 7. So 7 into 1000. Because we have to convert 7 liter into milliliter plus 80. 80 is in milliliter only. So no need to convert. 7000 plus 80. So 7080 milliliter. Here 10 liter. So let's convert 10 liter. 10 into 1000 plus 100 will remain. 100 will remain as it is. Then 10,000 plus 100. 10,000 plus 100, 10,100 milliliter. Here 15 into 1000 because liter को milliliter में convert करना पड़ेगा, and this milliliter no need to convert because it is already in milliliter. 15,000 plus 250. So simple we can write 15,000 and 250 milliliter. Now convert the following into liter or liter and milliliter. Liter or liter and milliliter. So let's do here 4,000 to convert milliliter into liter. We have to divide because we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter and 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So to convert milliliter into liter we should divide by 1000. So let's divide here. Simple. 4000 by 1000. So 0 cancel, 0 cancel. 4 liter. 8000 by 1000 is equal to 8 liter. Now here 7372. 1 liter has 1000 milliliter, 1000 has 3 zeros, so last 3 digit milliliter होते हैं और आगे की 1 digit liter में. So how to do here? 7000 plus 372. 7000 milliliter and 372 milliliter. Then 7000 milliliter means 7 liter, 372 milliliter. Here 5000 plus 40 milliliter. How? Because 1 liter has 1000 milliliter. पीछे के 3 digit है. Last 3 digit that is in milliliter. 5000 milliliter means 5 liter 40 milliliter. Now 9845 milliliter. So last 3 are in milliliter. So what we will write? 9 and instead of this 3 digit we will write 30 plus 845. Here you can write milliliter, here also milliliter. So to convert milliliter into liter, we'll divide by 1000. So we will get 9 liter 845 milliliter. Same 8000 plus 375. So 8000 milliliter is equal to 8 liter and 375 milliliter. So this way we will convert the numbers in liter and milliliter.